Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best convection microwaves in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Toshiba 3-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven. This Toshiba 3-in-1 EC042A5CS Countertop Microwave Oven is perfect for any kitchen. With a sleek stainless steel design, it adds a modern look to your countertop. It features a smart sensor with 13 auto menus, convection, mute function, and eco mode, all of which make it easy to cook your favorite dishes with just a few simple touches. The 1000 watt of power and 1.5 cubic feet capacity provide fast and efficient cooking for large meals. Plus, it has a convenient mute function which allows you to enjoy your meal without being disturbed by excessive noise. With all these amazing features, the Toshiba 3-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven is a great choice for anyone looking for an easy and efficient way to cook their favorite meals. Pros: 3-in-1 features: microwave, convection oven and grill. Smart sensor with 13 auto menus. Mute function and eco mode. 1000 W of power. 1.5 cubic feet of capacity. Stainless steel finish. Cons: expensive. No digital display. Not designed for larger dishes. Number 2. Our second best pick is Panasonic HomeChef 4-in-1 Microwave Oven. The Panasonic HomeChef 4-in-1 Microwave Oven is the ultimate kitchen appliance for any home chef. With its advanced technology and features, you can cook, fry, bake and broil, all in one convenient appliance. The microwave oven features inverter microwave technology, which provides fast, even cooking and reheating with up to 1000 watts of power. The air fryer is perfect for healthier fried foods, while the convection bake feature is great for baking cakes, muffins and more. The Flash Express broiler cooks food quickly and evenly with infrared heat. The 1.2 cubic feet interior is spacious and easy to clean. With the Panasonic HomeChef 4-in-1 Microwave Oven, you'll be able to make delicious meals fast and easily. Pros: 4-in-1 microwave oven with air fryer, convection bake, Flash Express broiler, and inverter microwave technology. 1000 watt of power. 1.2 cubic feet capacity. Easy clean interior. Cons: expensive. Heavy and bulky size. Number 3. Our third best pick is Galanz 3-in-1 SpeedWave. This Galanz GSWWWA12S1SA10 3-in-1 SpeedWave with TotalFry 360 is the ultimate kitchen appliance. It's a microwave, air fryer, and convection oven all in one. With 1.2 cubic feet of space and the patented Combi Speed cooking technology, you can cook your food quickly and evenly. The TotalFry 360 technology provides the same great taste and texture of deep-fried food without all the added fat and calories. The modern stainless steel design looks great in any kitchen, and the easy-to-use digital display and buttons make it simple to program and operate. Whether you're reheating leftovers, air-frying your favorite snacks, or baking some delicious desserts, this 3-in-1 SpeedWave with TotalFry 360 is the perfect choice for your culinary needs. Pros: 3-in-1 appliance that can act as a microwave, air fryer, and convection oven. TotalFry 360 technology for healthier and faster cooking. Combi Speed cooking provides even and fast heating. 1.2 cu.ft capacity to fit a variety of dishes. Stainless steel exterior with easy-to-use controls. Cons: expensive compared to other appliances. No timer to track cooking progress. Limited cooking capacity due to small size. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Sharp R1874T 850W Over the Convection Microwave. This Sharp R1874T Over the Convection Microwave is the perfect addition to any kitchen. With 1.1 cubic feet of space, you can easily fit large dishes or multiple dishes at once. The convection cooking feature allows you to bake and roast with crispy, evenly cooked results, while the auto defrost feature makes it easy to thaw frozen food. The stainless steel finish complements any kitchen decor, and the 850 watt of power ensures a fast and even cooking. The convenient two-stage programmable cooking makes it easy to prepare a wide variety of meals quickly and easily. With this Sharp over-the-range convection microwave, you can make delicious meals in no time. Pros: 850 watts of power for optimal cooking performance. 1.1 cubic feet of capacity for larger dishes. Convection cooking for faster and more even cooking. Stainless steel finish for a modern look. Sensor cooking and reheating to ensure food is cooked to perfection. Over-the-range design to save counter space. Cons: noisy operation due to the convection fan. Price may be too expensive for some people. Installation may be difficult for some users. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Sharp 850 watt over-the-range convection microwave oven. This sleek and modern Sharp over-the-range convection microwave oven in stainless steel is a great addition to any kitchen. Featuring a large 1.1 cubic foot capacity, and 850 watt cooking power, and convection cooking, you can easily and quickly make delicious meals. The intuitive electronic controls allow you to easily select the right settings for your food, and the stainless steel finish adds a touch of style to your kitchen. It also features a two-stage programmable cooking system, 2-speed venting, a kitchen timer, a child safety lock, and a 13.5-inch turntable. Get ready to make some amazing meals with this Sharp microwave oven. Pros: 850W of power for faster cooking. 1.1 cubic feet of capacity for larger dishes. Convection cooking for roasting and baking. Over-the-range design saves countertop space. Stainless steel finish resists fingerprints and smudges. Cons: can be difficult to install. Expensive compared to other models. More complicated to operate than regular microwaves. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.